welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can make this cute top with all these cute buttons and everything using an old sari. And if you guys remember, I did make this video a few weeks back, which was a Shein recreation top, and this is how it looked like. And I told you guys that I am keeping the remaining sari aside so that I can do a new video on it. And yes, that's what I did. I made this top using the leftover 3 meters, approx 3 meters of fabric, and yeah, this is how it turned out. So this is also a Shein recreation top, you can call it like that, but I did not use the exact fabric and stuff. So yeah, so this is how my inspiration looked like. And as you guys can see, it has a lot of flow at the corners, at the bottom, but when you use a sari, which is especially a georgette fabric, you don't get that much flow because it's very lightweight. I really loved how this one came out. I love how retro and cool it looks. Before we jump into the tutorial, make sure that you hit the like button if you like this video so far. Subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more videos like this, and also turn that notification bell button so that you guys never miss any future videos from me. And now, without any further ado, let's get started.
For this, I'm using this leftover sari in black and this lining in crepe fabric, which is about 2 meters, and also these coat buttons, which you can easily get in any button stores. Then open up the lining part first and fold it from one side just enough for you to trace the bodice piece. Then place an existing t-shirt of yours or even kurta would do and fold it in half and place its folded side over the folded side of the lining fabric. Then trace the shoulder, but here I'm tracing just half of my shoulder as I don't need full shoulder length. And then I'm marking the neck depth according to the t-shirt, or you can do it according to your needs. And then for the armhole, I'm going to place a finger slightly forward to the sleeve stitch, then flip the sleeve and mark where my finger is. Then trace the entire armhole like this, and then trace the side seam as well. Now when you remove the top, you will see that the shoulder and the armhole trace doesn't join. So make the armhole curve a little bigger and join it with the shoulder line. Make the neck curve as well. Now to know the length of the top, just place a measuring tape on your shoulder line and decide till where you want the top part to be. And I'm going to take about 16 inch plus 1 inch for seam allowance, so total of 17 inch. And then marking the same on the lining piece. And drawing a straight line at the bottom and then cut it out. Now when you open it up, this is how it will look like. Just make one more like this for your front piece. Simply just trace this one. There are no changes whatsoever, so just simply trace this one. Now once done, you should have 2 such pieces. Now trace this shape out of sari as well and cut 2 of them from it too. Then place the sari pieces over the lining pieces and stitch over the armhole and the neckline to join the sari and the lining piece. Now do it on the other piece as well. Once done, just flip the sari piece like so and pull the shoulder out like I'm doing, and then your neckline and the armhole are finished, as you guys can see here. Then place both the front and the back pieces together with their right sides facing each other, which means the sari piece should be inside and the lining should be outside, and stitch the shoulders and the side seams together to close the bodice. Then once done, this is how it will look like. Now keep it aside and move on to make the bottom part. Now take the leftover sari, fold it into half and draw a straight line on top like so. And first we'll be measuring our waist measurement from where the bottom part will begin, like this. Now mine came about 33 if tightly wrapped, then adding about 25 to 27 inches more to it, which makes it about 60 inches. Divide the 60 inches in half and mark that much on the sari piece on that line. Then measure how long you want the front part to be. I'm taking about 8 to 10 inches and marking it straight down that 30-inch mark we just made. Then measure how long you want the back side of the top to be, and I'm taking about 30 to 31 inches from the waist and mark that much on the folded side of the sari like so, and then join the front and the back length marks with a curved line and cutting it out. So when you open it, you will have a semicircle kind of shape like so. Then fold it back again and pin the 2 sides together, but just about 8 to 10 inch of the front which we marked before, like so, and stitch over it. So once done, this is how it will look like. There is still an opening slit in front. Now flip this as well as the top part wrong side out and bring them close together like so, and pin the front stitch line to the midpoint of the front bodice. Now we want all this extra part of the bottom part to match the bodice part width. So I'm simply gonna make some pleats in the front. I basically just did 5 pleats on both the sides of the slit. That means 5 on the left side and 5 on the right side. In the back side, I'm going to keep it plain with no pleats. So, simply just pin and stitch. One stitch, just hem the bottom edge of the dress and attach the buttons on top part. You can skip the buttons if you want to. I simply just sewed them with needle and thread, and that's it. Rising up like a phoenix's. Tired of pushed down the ground.
So that was it for today's tutorial, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to press that notification bell button on so that you guys never miss any future videos from me. Comment down below if you had this top, how would you style it? Will you be styling it with the same way I did with ripped jeans and high boots, or you'll go with plain jeans, or you'll go with pants or shorts or skirts, or just let me know in the comments down below, and I would love to know how your creative mind goes. If you do recreate this top or any DIY that I have done so far, you can share it with me on my Instagram page, that is something like this, and on my Facebook page, which is somewhere mentioned over here. Make sure that you follow these both because I'm always available at these 2 platforms, so I would really love to connect with you guys over there as well. His feature goes out to Oshin, Pari and Clinomaniac Art. I am really thankful for your lovely comments, guys. I really appreciate all the love you guys give to me. If you also want to get featured in my next DIY video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, press that notification bell button, and comment down below whatever you want to comment down, and add the hashtag notification squad, and so that I would know when you received the notification and you came right here. And yeah, and I'll feature 3 of you guys for my next DIY video. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.